I was tired of wearing full sleeves due to increased skin thickness, leading to dark neck, elbows, and knees, until I tried Sanface Spotlight Cream. Enriched with a unique blend of AHAs, kojic acid, glycolic acid, lactic acid, and niacinamide. I use it twice a day, and this cream has visibly brightened my dark elbows, neck, and other hyperpigmented patches in just 15 days. Get spotless skin with Sanface Spotlight Cream. Use code OFFER20 to get 20% off. If you are a new makeup girly, you need this product. I'm obsessed with its soft matte finish. It has me in a flippin' chokehold, and I'm gonna tell you all about it. It's the Terrai Smart BB Cream. 3-in-1 product, so moisturizing ingredients, SPF, and that dewy look coverage as well. For this product to have SPF 50, I'm already sold, but it also acts as a tinted primer. Look at that before and after. Let's try the other side. As you can see, it's really easy to blend in with just my fingers. It is non-sticky, hassle-free, and perfect for daily usage. Just perfect.
Wake up in the morning, I look good, feel good, and I'm glowing. Got the energy right, I'm floating. Cloud 9, baby, I feel gorgeous, I'm important. Can't lie, I'm a 10 out of 10, you're type. If you want this, get in line, cause I'm doing it right. In this hot pink world, I do my hair up in a comb.
I've tried so many essences but got the perfect one for my skin. This O3 Plus 98.3% snail mucin essence is just the best thing that happened to me. After using it for just 1 week, I can see the beautiful results on my skin. It not only provides glowy skin but has literally reduced my pores. The best part is it reduces the consumption of makeup. It has a cloudy gelatinous texture which works as a primer. This is my go-to product to get this glass skin. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the Satin 25% AHA, 2% PHA and 5% PHA peeling solution. This serum is a multitasker. It will clear out congested pores, exfoliate your skin and give you a radiant glow. Be mindful that it's a concentrated formula, so it should be used only once a week and must not be used on a sensitive or peeling skin. When applying, make sure your face is clean and dry. Spread a thin layer evenly and avoid the eye area. Leave it on for a max of 10 minutes and then rinse it thoroughly with lukewarm water. Don't forget to follow it up with Satin SPF 50 sunscreen. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, give it a try. Trust me, your skin will love you for it. Until next time, beauties. Bye-bye. Hair fall, hair thinning and dry hair have become common problems. Reason? It's due to biotin deficiency and your body does not produce biotin. So you can add biotin-rich foods to your diet, or an easier option is to supplement it. My favorite is Satin Biotin Gummies. They're delicious and are packed with powerful ingredients like zinc, multivitamins and iodine to promote healthy and luscious hair. 1 gummy a day is enough to support your hair growth. Your daily hair care routine can't get easier than this. Read the caption for more. Do you ever smell something funky and wonder, is that me? Are you tired of sweaty and dark underarms? Well, fear not, stinky friends. This viral underarm lightning roll-on from Sanface is here to save the day. With its unique GlycoClear technology that not only provides long-lasting odor protection, but also lightens and brightens underarm skin. I've only been using it for 15 days and I'm stunned by its effectiveness. Look at that before and after. Flaunt your flawless underarms and feel unstoppable all day long with this game-changing deodorant. Don't wait, try it today and experience the difference for yourself. Use code DEO20 to get 20% off. a boost of vitamin C for your skin from Satin, because self-care starts with skincare. The Glow Skin Serum keeps me radiant and confident. It's more than beauty. It's a celebration of my skin. Infused with rich and premium ingredients like niacinamide to reduce hyperpigmentation, vitamin C erases dark spots and dullness, cocoa butter to hydrate, orange extract to control sebum production, and turmeric extract gives the skin a radiant glow. See the glow and outshine the rest with the Glow Skin Serum from Satin.